Welcome to CIA Machinery Incorporated's video on Ramsey RE Series worm gear electric winches. These winches are known for their robustness, reliability, and ease of maintenance. Whether you're in construction, off-roading, or any heavy-duty application, Ramsey winches are designed to meet your needs. Ramsey RE Series winches come with a strong worm gear that provides load reversing protection. The motor and solenoids are grounded directly to the battery, ensuring efficient power delivery. The exclusive semi-automatic ram lock clutch allows for easy disengagement for free spooling. Additionally, the weather-resistant solenoid assembly ensures durability in various conditions. Our winches boast impressive specifications, such as our RE 12000's rated line pull of 12,000 pounds and gear reduction ratio of 470:1. The series wound motors delivers 4.8 horsepower or 2.5 horsepower. With overall dimensions of 21.96 inches by 10.75 inches by 10.25 inches and an 8.38-inch long 3.5-inch diameter drum, these winches are built to handle tough jobs. When it comes to purchasing Ramsey winches, CIA Machinery is your go-to source. We offer a wide range of models and accessories to suit your specific requirements. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service and support. Ready to equip your operations with the best winches on the market? Contact CIA Machinery today or visit our website at www.ciamachinery.com.